Hello friends, in this video I'll going to show you how to create a relation database on AWS Cloud. For that, go under the database services and click on relation database service. Now click on instances, launch DB instance. Since I am running a free account, so just make sure you are not going to uh, incur any charges. So I click on it, only enable option eligible for RDS VPC usage. Okay, so now I'm selecting MySQL, click next. This is a default configuration which comes under free tier. Choose your ID. Okay, click next. This is a default VPC selected for this season. Yes, I make it a public accessible for my training purpose. Choose existing VPC. So I have already a VPC configured into this region. So I choose it. Database name I have to provide, which can be like MySQL RDS kind of. Disable, no preference, monitoring, don't want to enable. Okay, launch DB instance, just click on, it's pretty simple. So instances in under the creation. Okay, what else we can see under this window? We have CloudWatch, which will monitor rest of um, the services like CPU, how much DB connection is there, memory, storage, IOPS. Okay, so it's important. We'll need it to connect to this database. I guess once the DB is created, we will able to see it. Click on this. Right now it's creating. It's taking time. Now I can see its status changed from creating to backup. Let me pause this video. Okay, so now I can see like the status is available. That means we can see our newly created MySQL database, and we will have the endpoint URL which we will require to connect. Just copy this. We will connect it through MySQL Workbench. Just click on the new connection and connection is RDS. Okay, just copy this over here. Okay, Just check that connection is able to establish between your workbench and RDS. So we can see in this dialog box like MySQL Workbench successfully made the MySQL connection. Okay, click OK. OK, click on it. Okay, so we got the window of our newly created MySQL. Just see how my database is under the this new SQL. We have InnoDB, MySQL, RDS. This is one which we have created. Just go under this, use MySQL RDS. Okay, we are in the MySQL. Let's create a new table. Okay, so do we have any tables? So we don't have any table as such created, right? So let's create new table. Create table. Okay, test int varchar. Okay, so our table is created. Okay, test table is created. Let's insert new values. Value inserted. So let us draw from test. Okay, so we can see we have one row added. So this is how we can create a new RDS MySQL database, and we have also seen how to connect to the newly created RDS database through MySQL Workbench. Thank you so much for watching this video.